Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA is following the primary path and it also overnight broke that 36-cent level. That's what I wanted to see for continuation to the downside. I already had some comments that 36 cents will never be broken again. Well, see, it happened quite quickly. But that has been the primary view to be on the path here to another low. Of course, we haven't made a new low yet, so price would need to get all the way down to 34.8 cents. We've now reached micro support here at the 35.6 cent level, the previous swing low. But yeah, this is how it could unfold. Remember, we look at this move of this is here the 26th of April high. We look at this, no, of this B wave here. The B wave top was on the 30th of April. We look at a C wave here of a larger wave 2. And we say we completed most likely already a wave 1, we completed a wave 2, we completed a wave 3. This it could have been the wave 4, and we could be heading down now in a wave 5. That's sort of broadly in line with what Bitcoin is doing as well, what expectations for Bitcoin are. This here could have been the wave 1 of wave 5. Here the wave 2 of wave 5. We could now be in the third wave of wave 5, and within the third wave might have already completed a wave 1. Here a tiny wave 2, and we might be heading down now. But this is, I'm quite sure this will change a lot, the subwave structure here, because it's not crystal clear to me. I mean, I give my best. You can sometimes you cannot identify, sometimes you just can't identify a very reliable structure, and the reason is that then multiple possibilities exist. But this is sort of still to give you an idea. Important would be here to keep this downside momentum alive now, that we don't break above the wave 2 high, so 27.6 cents. Now 37.5. So if we go above that level, then we've got 38 cents. 38-cent level is also very important because that's the larger wave 4 high. A break above that would probably unlock something more bullish. Because I cannot rule out a bullish case here. But the one that we talked about in yesterday's video was already, it wasn't validated now. It wasn't the primary expectation anyway, just something that I watch. The expectation are still for price to head lower, and next relevant support levels were highlighted. And then we have the 33.3 cent level down here, which is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. If we go below that level, then this current scenario where we are watching for a leading diagonal that peaked in April 2023 and now a wave 2 correction of that leading diagonal, yeah, this scenario would need to be revised if we see a sustained break below 33.3 cents. But I think it has guided as well over the last few weeks, so we will see how we react to that support. The bullish case was this one, not a super reliable one. So we said, okay, off this 11th of May low, we might have moved up in a wave 1 leading diagonal, came down in a wave 2, and bottomed in the trend reversal area, which is great. We then rallied again in a possible 5-wave move, and we now coming down, but we were not allowed in the bullish scenario, to break below 35.6. That happened, so it's invalidated, and already the break below 36 cents was the warning. As I said, this was the support area that needed to hold to give us still a decent chance for a direct breakout to the upside. Now it was broken, so that's not possible anymore. Is another direct bullish breakout scenario possible? Yeah, but I would find it now very, very unlikely. I mean, all I could do is to put the wave 2 here, but then this is nothing that is reliable any longer. Yeah, I would then have to say that this here was probably a wave W, X, and we're now coming down in a Y wave, but it is super unreliable. So I don't entertain that idea any longer until we see a clear impulse to the upside, because again, any break of the 78.6 retracement makes this super unlikely. I mean, okay, it could still, here 35.4, that's the 78.6 for that larger scenario. But then if you look at this W, X, and this is the Y wave, it is very short, very short. So I'm not entertaining that anymore. I mean, it was already less likely. I think it has just become even less likely. So let's focus on the downside path until we see an impulse to the upside. So from that point of view, no change, and it's just following through on the count at the moment. Okay, yeah, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.